One type of folder that you can create is a project. A project allows you to quickly and easily create robust and organized project activities. You can automatically include a discussion, blog, wiki, journal, as well as add additional components. Click Edit and go to the settings. From here, you would click Folder is a project. This would allow you to give it a start and an end date. This will give the students a chance to see the countdown as the end date is nearing. And when you're ready, you click Save. This will turn this into the project icon here. Activities in this project will now need to be completed from the start to finish time frame. Let's look at this from a student perspective. When a folder is made a project and a student logs into the course dashboard, they will now see current projects. They can click directly into this project folder, or they can click on it from the original playlist. Either way, when it takes them into that project folder, it's going to give them project dates, how many activities they need to complete, and list the activities. As they begin to progress, it will show a progression bar as well as a countdown to the end date. For example, it might say 1 month left, 2 weeks left, to help them make sure they finish on time.